Commercial reach-in refrigerators are crucial parts of the food industry of today. Whether you're running a small cafe, large restaurant, or any other commercial establishment that requires a fridge, commercial refrigerators are a key aspect that keeps your business running. Hence, having one of the best commercial reach-in refrigerators in your kitchen will make sure your beverages and food items are perfectly chilled, ensuring they will stay fresh for longer. What is the best commercial reach-in refrigerator to buy? We strongly recommend the KoolMore stainless steel glass 3-door commercial reach-in refrigerator because of its visually appealing look and sturdy steel construction. Furthermore, the refrigerator has a very spacious interior that you can use to hold and display all your beverages and food items such as cold salads, juice bottles, and grab-and-go sandwiches. We've researched and discovered the 7 top-rated commercial reach-in refrigerators, as well as one to avoid. Coming in at number 1, the KoolMore stainless steel glass 3-door commercial reach-in refrigerator. All factors considered, it's no surprise that the KoolMore stainless steel glass 3-door option is the best commercial reach-in refrigerator. This refrigerator boasts an aesthetically appealing glass door that will keep your edibles such as milk, yogurt, and eggs organized and cool in the kitchen of your restaurant. Furthermore, KoolMore commercial refrigerators feature durable construction, allowing it to last a long time. It's built with superior quality stainless steel sides that make it great to look at as well. This KoolMore has a very airy interior that's space-saving at the same time. It possesses 3 deep shelves that are adjustable for a maximum amount of storage space, and the shelves are designed in a way that they don't crowd the interior space of your refrigerator. In addition, you can easily keep track of your food items and beverages courtesy to the LED lighting and glass doors. Other special and unique features include a self-closing door, 4 portable casters that are easy to move around, and a digital display that you can use to control the temperature. Here's some more pros. 1. It's easy to clean. 2. It's aesthetically appealing. And 3. It has a spacious interior. Now for a con. It's considerably expensive, so it's not your best choice if you don't have a big budget. And now coming in at number 2. The Arctic Air AGR 49 2-door glass reach-in refrigerator stainless steel. When it comes to the 2-door reach-in fridges, the best one out there is the Arctic Air AGR 49 2-door glass reach-in refrigerator. The refrigerator's interior boasts a stainless steel liner along with 6 epoxy-coated shelves that are adjustable to easily store all of your beverages, food items, and other ingredients you want to chill. The Arctic Air AR49 reach-in refrigerator also comes equipped with a built-in heating element and condensate pan that serves to evaporate extra water. Furthermore, courtesy to this model's LED display and electronic thermostat, you can easily monitor the refrigerator's operating temperatures at all times. It also features stainless steel sides and front, which enhances the refrigerator's durability. Now here's some pros. It has a beautiful design, large capacity to accommodate several beverages and food items, and easy to clean the refrigerator's interior. Now here's a con. It leaks water on the floor sometimes. Coming in at number 3, the KoolMore 29-inch commercial glass 1-door display refrigerator merchandiser upright beverage cooler with LED lighting. The KoolMore 29-inch commercial glass 1-door display refrigerator merchandiser upright beverage cooler with LED lighting is ideal for displaying your beverages, food items, fresh flowers, and salads. This reach-in cooler and refrigerator has a very aesthetically appealing appearance and will fit in perfectly in any commercial setting such as a cafe, restaurant, or store. Furthermore, its exterior is made of top-quality powder-coated steel, and the refrigerator's single glass door is very easy to clean as well. The LED lighting also illuminates all your drinks, such as iced tea and cold drinks, and food items, so you can easily identify them without opening the door of the refrigerator. Another great thing about the KoolMore 29-inch commercial glass one-door display refrigerator is the fact that its glass display doors are self-closing and anti-fogging, which will make sure to provide maximum visibility and coolness. You can very easily control and monitor the temperature, owing to the external digital display that allows temperature control. Now here's some pros. 1. It has a very beautiful display. 2. Easy to clean exterior. And 3. Space-saving. Now for a con. The refrigerator is loud sometimes. Looking to learn more about the best commercial reach-in refrigerator in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. And now, coming in at number 4, the Duker's D55R 2-door commercial refrigerator. If you're looking for a high-performing 2-door reach-in fridge to store your food items and drinks, look no further than the Duker's fridge. One of the most special features is the 1-horsepower compressor, which is heavy-duty and is bottom-mounted for superior cooling and enhanced efficiency. Furthermore, you can easily select the desired interior temperature using its digital controls. Additionally, the refrigerator has self-closing doors that free up both your hands for ease of use and extra convenience. What's more, this Duker's refrigerator includes 8 shelves that you can adjust or remove easily for maintenance and flexibility. You can also position and move the fridge effortlessly thanks to its 4 swivel casters. Now for some pros. 1. Recessed door handles allow for clean styling and better ergonomics. 2. 1-horsepower compressor boosts refrigerator's efficiency. 3. Self-closing doors are an extra convenience. And 4. Reduced energy expenses owing to an auto defrosting feature. Now for a con. Its rather bulky size makes it difficult to accommodate in small spaces. Coming in at number 5, the Procool commercial glass 3-door merchandiser upright reach-in beverage cooler display refrigerator. If you're on the lookout for a superior 3-door reach-in fridge, the Procool commercial glass 3-door merchandiser upright reach-in beverage cooler display refrigerator is the one you ought to buy. The refrigerator has glass doors, which make this model look very visually pleasing. It also has strong shelves that you can easily adjust to help organize food in the spacious interior of this enormous unit. Furthermore, this Procool boasts a digital display that you can use to control the operating temperature of the appliance very easily. Moreover, Procool commercial glass 3-door merchandiser upright reach-in beverage cooler display refrigerator also comes equipped with 3 self-closing doors and LED lighting for the interior. Therefore, you can easily keep all of your food items and cold drinks well lit and organized in this refrigerator. In addition, this model includes a self-evaporating water tray, so you don't need any drain for the water. Now for some pros. 1. It uses R290 refrigerant, which is energy efficient. 2. It has a very large capacity to easily accommodate all of your food items and beverages in any commercial environment. And 3. The LED lighting provides full and clear illumination. Now for a con. It's quite bulky, so it's hard to fit easily in small spaces. And now, coming in at number 6, the 78-inch triple 3-door side-by-side stainless steel reach-in commercial refrigerator by WP Restaurant Fridges. Are you looking for a spacious and highly reliable 3-door reach-in fridge? If that is so, it serves your best interest to opt for the WP Restaurant Fridge. This refrigerator operates on a temperature range of 33 to 41 degrees Fahrenheit. You can easily adjust the temperature by using the LED display. Furthermore, this 78-inch triple 3-door side-by-side stainless steel reach-in commercial refrigerator has a 1/2 horsepower compressor that's top-mounted that boosts the unit's efficiency and operation. It also has an ergonomic design that offers convenience to users who need to operate it regularly in a commercial setting. Moreover, this large 72 cubic foot refrigerator has a long lifespan, primarily owing to its top-quality stainless steel construction, which makes it highly durable. Now for some pros. 1. Very spacious interior and has lots of capacity. 2. High-grade stainless steel exterior boosts durability. And 3. Non-locking casters are easy to move. Now here's a con. The door locks tend to break quickly. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite commercial reach-in refrigerator. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. Now, coming in at number 7, the Vortex Refrigeration Refrigerator 2 Solid Door Commercial Stainless Steel. This Vortex refrigerator is one of the most exceptional 2-door refrigerators available in the market. This refrigerator boasts a stainless steel exterior and interior, making the appliance very durable with a longer lifespan. You can also control the temperature easily with the digital display, and the operating temperature ranges from 33 degrees to 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Furthermore, the Vortex Refrigeration refrigerator has 6 steel shelves that are PVC coated and easy to adjust as well. To keep all your edibles safe inside, the manufacturers even include a safety door lock. In addition, this Vortex appliance that has the capacity of 49 cubic feet makes use of the R290 hydrocarbon refrigerant that considerably reduces the environmental impact. Now for some pros. It has swivel casters that allow you to move the refrigerator easily. It also has self-closing doors and a powerful compressor that boosts the operation of the refrigerator. Now for a con. The refrigerator warranty is not applicable for residential use. It's not really the best commercial refrigerator for home. And now for the Freshness.com commercial reach-in refrigerator to avoid. The Atosa Reach-In Commercial Refrigerator 22.6 cubic feet 28.7-inch 1-door stainless steel refrigerator. Most users agree that despite its few positive qualities, the Atosa model is one of the worst options available. That's simply because you don't get your money's worth with this particular model. It may have some plus points like the self-closing doors and powerful compressor that enhance the refrigerator's efficiency, but overall, the cons outnumber the pros. Hence, it would be prudent to just disregard this option. It's in your best interest to purchase another of the superior quality refrigerator models such as those mentioned previously. Now here's those pros. 1. Has a powerful compressor. And 2. An exterior made of stainless steel, which is a durable material. But here's the cons. The door is difficult to open. The entire refrigerator tends to move when you open the door. Owing to the vacuum seal, you have to wait at least 1 minute to open the door again. The compressor is completely exposed, and the absence of glass doors prevents you from seeing inside. And now for the Freshness.com final thoughts on buying the best commercial reach-in refrigerator. If you don't want to get too overwhelmed by the number of reach-in refrigerator models available, you should trim the fat by finding an ideal size and reputable refrigerator brand. After that's done, consider other important factors such as storage space, energy efficiency, ease of use, etc. to find the best model that serves your business requirements perfectly. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite commercial reach-in refrigerator. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.